We'll guide you through how to make a donate button in Please Donate on an iPad or tablet. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I've just gone and claimed this stand here, and you can see I've got some different buttons here. We need these in order to start getting donations. So to do this, press the Roblox icon in the top left, and we can then go and leave the game. On the Roblox app, go to the bottom right, and you can go and press More. Next, you need to go and find the option for Create. Here, you need to go over to the left and press Creations. And then you're going to have an experience. Go and click on your place here. You may need to tap it twice. Scroll down on the left until you get to monetization and find passes. We can go and create a pass here, and that will then be our donation button. So press create a pass, go and give it a name. Optionally, you can add an image and a description. Then press create pass, and it's then been made. Then what you need to do is go and find it. Go and tap on it like so and press sales to the left. And what you need to do is go and switch on item for sale, enter in the price. This will be the donation amount. You can then press save changes at the bottom and confirm your decision. Make sure you agree. Now what you can do is come and return to Please Donate. Come to a stand and you can go and claim it, and you'll go and see we've now gone and added the donation button, and we can start getting donations. Of course, you can add more.